Hey guys, I'm Silwolf and I was not expecting to do this, unboxing this item. So I ordered a pedestal mat for my toilet. What I received was that, and underneath it was this. I did not order this. I certainly haven't paid for it. In fact, they didn't charge me for it. This is an item that I first thought it was something to do with Barbie, but apparently not. It's Unicorn Academy, which appears to be something on Netflix. It says Netflix down the bottom there. And this is Rainbow Light Up Wildstar. Now this is actually quite a crazy thing. I mean, I like horses. I've got a few My Little Ponies and things like that. I don't know if I've done any unboxings, but I am a fan of horses. You know, I like riding and things. But this is madness because I wasn't expecting this. It's like a rave horse, literally. I mean, that. And so my partner was like, oh, well, maybe you should just, you know, I don't know, donate it. And I'm like, I don't think I can donate this item because it's you know, fun. And it's like, like I said, a rave horse. So this is, I don't know, I've never watched Unicorn Academy. I don't know how popular it is. I have seen adverts for it on Netflix, and it appears to be a bunch of kids and they each have a unicorn. And I'm guessing they go to school, to the academy, to learn more about them or learn more about magic or something, because I mean unicorns are magic. This one is written by someone called Sophia, according to the box. Again, I've not actually seen the program. I might actually watch it after this. So the box art's nice. It's got a picture of Wildstar and Sophia on the front there. There's a little sort of image there of Wildstar doing her thing with her music and stuff. She does play music as well. Which is even more why I think I've kind of nicknamed her the Rave Horse. There's a picture of her on the side, another picture of her with Sophia at the top there. The light is terrible because that's a picture of them at the top. The light is terrible, and the reason I haven't actually put the light on is because the horse lights up, so I kind of, you know, wanted to show that better in the video, and that's why I haven't actually put the lights on so that it's better. So you've got a nice picture on the back of the pair of them, and there's like a magical kingdom in the background. There's a picture of Sophia riding Wildstar. I don't have a Sophia figure, it's just the horse, because obviously I wasn't expecting to receive this. The doll is sold separately. It's made by Spin Master. They're the people who make things like Paw Patrol and stuff like that. It's got a URL at the bottom there, unicornacademy.com, which I haven't visited because I've only just actually seen that. And then it says a little bit about Wildstar. Wildstar has a rebellious streak and won't let anything stand in her way. Her strength can be intimidating, but don't let that fool you. She also has a big, bright heart. So she seems quite a good character. Like I said, I don't know anything about these characters. This is completely new to me. And there's not much else on the other side of the box. Underneath it, it's all the normal, usual, boring kind of like stuff in different languages about batteries and not to throw them away and whatever. So I think the best side of this to open would probably be this side. So we will just slice tape like that. I've found that over the years packaging has gotten, I mean, more kind of complicated because they want to present the item in the best way possible to get people to buy it, which, you know, is understandable. But again, they've got, I mean, there's all these little bits with tape everywhere all around it, and I think sometimes it can be kind of overcomplicated. Come on, there we go. Right, so oh, there's even more tape either side here. I could just slice the whole thing up, but an unboxing, I don't think you should literally wreck the packaging. I mean, I will be throwing the packaging away after this. I'm not going to keep it, but unless of course I want to keep the horse in it, because it's kind of, it's a big item and I'm not sure where I'm going to put her, in all honesty. I'm sure I'll find a place. She can go on the shelf with the My Little Ponies. So this is a Unicorn Academy kind of quick start guide. It tells you what to do with her. She seems to have 2 settings. We'll look at that later. That's it. And then we've got some cable ties here. So just free her. Now, I was looking at this when it was in the box, and I thought to myself, okay, now she's playing music. Before I was so rudely interrupted, I'm trying not to cut her hair here. So I've done a few My Little Pony unboxings and things. I don't know if I've actually done them on the channel, but I have a few My Little Ponies, and they went through this one phase where they were actually sewing the hair into the packaging. They'd put the plastic thread through the hair and into the packaging, and you had to be so careful to get it out, otherwise you'd just be giving your pony a haircut. And I can only imagine this is more difficult than I thought. I can only imagine that some excited child would be like, oh yay, and then rip the pony's hair off. Oh, she's got one on her toes. I'm trying not to cut the hair either, so I'm just pushing it to one side when I do this. Right, we should be able to lift her out now. No, because her reins, of course, are still attached. There. And I just pull that through there. Okay, right. Well, you finally freed her. Just take those bits out. All doing ties and things. Okay, so here she is. I'll just adjust the camera accordingly to get all of her in. She's quite a tall pony, horse, unicorn. So yeah, she's quite big. She's not articulated anywhere except on the head, which serves as a button, I suppose, for activating her sounds and things like that. So looking at her, she's really actually quite a smooth, nicely made product, and she actually reminds me of those horses that you can get them in America and stuff, and I really like them, but they're very expensive. So she kind of reminds me of one of those, and I can't remember, Breyer horses, that's it, a bit like that, but in a more like a cheaper version. The saddle is all kind of sparkly and glittery, and the reins are, and I can't remember what these are called. Never mind. That's all nice and sparkly and glittery too. And it's got handholds here for the figure to ride her and hold on to her reins. Her bridle's all nice and sparkly too. So yeah, she is a nice looking kind of horse, unicorn. She doesn't have stars on this side of her, only the other side. I think that, oh yeah, it does. Oh wow, it looks really weird on this side. So you can see where all the little bits, the clips and stuff are inside her, whereas this side, she's not going to work now. There we go. This side is really nice. Like, but if you turn it around, that's the back of it. So that's kind of a disappointment. They didn't put the stars and things both sides. I thought that, you know, I mean, I suppose when you're playing with it, you hold it in your right hand. If most kids are right-handed, so that's the side you'd see. But why not make the effort to make it both sides? Because the back of it just looks a bit rubbish when it's all lit up and everything. Anyway, so we've got a quick start guide. It does not have any writing. It's just diagrams. Right. So number 1 is English. Number 2 is music. So apparently what it's saying here is it's got a nose sensor. There's moving its horn down, which is what I've been doing. You can stroke her side, the side of her neck there, and pull gently on the reins, and that also makes stuff happen. So with time, I'm guessing she'll entirely light up and something will happen. And number 2 is if you keep on petting her and moving various bits of her with time. I think the thing on the box, or I think I actually went and looked at the listing for this on Amazon, but But I read somewhere that you've got to like make friends with her. So if you keep on interacting with her, she learns to trust you, and then she'll start like making more sounds and things. So you've got to switch this over. Oh right, so 2 is the demo mode basically. So 1. So I've switched her over to 1. So this should be what they're talking about in this. So if do I have to press down on her head? Nope. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. That's another thing you can do. The other thing is pull on her reins here. So it's almost like you're actually taming a horse. I can't work out whether that's a touch sensor. I think this is a touch sensor on her side here. And the more you interact with her, the more she kind of trusts you. Okay, so something's happened. I think more of this is lit up. So that was the first bit, and then you carry on. Oh, it's doing something now. I hope I can still monetize this. So I'm thinking that when you hear the sound, you know, the music and that from her, that is the, you've actually tamed her. I'm actually going to take a picture because I really like that. That's cool. Come on. Just for my socials, that's all. So there you go. She's entirely... Oh, okay, so if I touch her again, she sings the song. So there's definitely a touch sensor on her neck there. But oh yeah. See if I can get that with my other video. Yeah, that's pretty cool. So that's basically what you do with her. You can put a rider on her, and the only rider that I actually have to hand that would actually fit her is Ken. So let's see if I can put... Actually, you know what? That's too small for Ken, I'm thinking. Oh, she's singing again. Yeah, no, he won't fit on it. That's a shame. I was hoping that he would fit on her bridle, on her saddle. He is quite big, actually. He's taller than she is. The only other figure that I was going to put on her is John Cena. And to be fair, he would probably have fitted on her a bit better. But you missed out seeing John Cena riding a unicorn because he's actually in the other room. So never mind. Well, there you go. It was an unexpected... it's unexpected kind of unboxing. But I have actually now unboxed her. I might give Unicorn Academy a watch just to see what it's all about, so at least I can understand a bit more about this unicorn that I now own. So there you go. If you want to see more neat finds, I don't know if I'll put this in neat finds, but it doesn't really belong in robots either. Maybe I'll just put it in other neat stuff because it was kind of unexpected. Anyway, you can click the box that comes up below. I think she's finished her little rave now. And if you enjoy what I do and want to tip me, you can buy me a coffee on Ko-fi. The link is in the description. So that's all for now. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silver signing off.